My name's Stuart from the Sebo shop at Manchester Vacs. As you can see, we have more Sebos than anybody else in the north. And today I'm going to show you the new Sebo BP60 SoftCase. As the name suggests, SoftCase, this case is a soft fabric. As we go down the machine, this is the battery, because of course this is a cordless machine with a 60-minute runtime. Let's have a look at a few other aspects of this machine. In common with other Sebos, anything orange is a user control or an access point. So, this is the power switch, which you operate with your foot. This is, like other Sebos, that's the lever to recline the machine. This orange lever on the back allows you to remove the battery. This is the height control. So let's have a look now at some basic servicing. So first, let's have a look at changing the bag. In common with other SoftCase machines, the bag just opens like so. And we have a little clip here, which allows the old bag to be removed. We have our new bag here, which I prepared earlier. And we just pop the two little bits in there, clip it on like that, make sure it's in place. And that's all there is to changing the bag. Now let's take a look at the brush roll. Before you do any work on the brush roll, it's advised that you remove the battery in case you can advertently switch the machine on and end up with one less finger than you had before. So we're going to take the battery out and move that out of the way. Here on the brush roll, you'll see there's a little button that says press. You press, you twist, and the brush roll comes out, like so. In order to put it back, just relocate it on the cotter pin down below, and it clicks back home, just like that. Let's take a closer look at the battery and discuss the battery. You take it out with the lever on the back. This is a big heavy battery, and you may choose to buy a spare one when you buy the machine, and that way you've got 2 hours runtime. You can be charging one while one is working. There's a little flap on the front there. That exposes the charging socket on the battery itself. And you can have that on the table in the corner charging up, or you can have it charging up in the machine like so. This battery will give you 1 hour of runtime, and you can recharge it in about 4 hours. Something else I can show you is the height adjustment. As it's a cordless machine, the motor runs at 1 speed, and you have a 4-level height adjustment where you can get it to the height you want it on the carpet. Now that height adjuster isn't going to work unless the machine is actually reclined, because what Sebo have done on this machine is they've enabled, as you stand the machine up, the head will lift ever so slightly off the floor. This is to stop carpet burns. In the unlikely event of a blockage, I'm going to show you the 2 access points you can get to on the machine. Underneath here, you'll see this orange flap. You need a T20 screwdriver, a T20 torque screwdriver, which we sell on our sites. They're only a few quid. You remove a screw in there. This is removed already for demonstration purposes, and that gives you access to the most likely place it's going to block. A very unlikely place for it to block, but perhaps one that you may need to know about. This plastic channel that runs up behind the bag can be disassembled, and there's a 1 screw up here, a T20 screw to take out, and you will be able to disassemble that in the very, very rare event of a blockage in that channel. The machine is completely user serviceable. We're also going to talk about runtime. One of the reasons this is called the BP60 is it alludes to the fact that it will run for 60 minutes. Now that isn't 60 minutes like some manufacturers of cordless machines will tell you, and it's actually more like 7 minutes. This is actually 60 minutes. If we look at the battery on the side of the machine, we see there's indicator lights on it. If that's out while you're using it, you press the information button, it will light up. Obviously 3 bars, 2 bars, 1 bar like you get with any other battery. So you can tell when the battery's wearing down and you have an indication as to how much life you have left. But as long as you've got the height adjusted properly and you're using it on fairly normal carpets or floor surfaces, you will get 60 minutes out of this machine. Of course, you want to see how it works on the floor. We already have a short video about that, and I'm just going to show you a little bit now from that video.
Hello everybody, I'm Olga from the Sebo shop at Manchester Vacs. We are the first to show you this. Let's try it.
Now you've seen the machine on the floor, there is something else I should mention. This machine is a floor machine only. So there's no attachments, there's no hoses, there's no tools to do your stairs, to do the dusting, to get to your bookcases, things like that. This machine comes only as you see it, which means it's only for floors and carpets. And that's all you need to know about the Sebo SoftCase BP60. You can buy these from us online with very fast delivery at seboshop.co.uk, where you could also buy the bags and that T20 screwdriver I told you about. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe if you're watching this on YouTube. Thanks for watching.